African grey, isn't it? Posing as well. Is it? Yeah. Got him on lead and lot.
Just in case you don't want to fly away.
Yeah. It's that extra safety though, isn't it?
The wind might blow him, I might crash my bike. You get some idiots just trying to scare him on purpose, you know, so you never know.
I can't wait
Like
for
Spinal Tap, you know, there's a new Spinal Tap film.
What's that?
Oh, it's like a spoof film about a spoof rock band.
Oh, right.
They do a famous song called Stonehenge.
Oh yeah, ah
I
yeah.
can see this on Instagram and that.
Yeah. Good idea.
Nearly done.
No worries.
I want to have a hold.
Do you want to pause him anywhere or you can hold him if you want?
Can
Have a
I
hold.
perch him on my finger? You go first, or are we doing?
Yeah. Take a picture.
Yeah, I'm doing video. Go on, mate, say hello.
There we go.
Go on then, you have your first hold.
He does fist bumps, give him a fist bump first.
Give him a fist bump.
Well, that's nice. I'll put my Sam, I can get out in the picture now. Do you want that with the back? Put that in the background, so if you stand with your back to that. Are you taking a picture?
I think she wants to hold. Do you want to hold
yeah,
first?
that's what I mean, but so if you set your picture up and you can hold it, then
Yeah.
whatever you want though, but that, yeah, that's better than...
I'm doing a video. This is a video for my
all right,
YouTube anyway.
I would have spoke so much of it. Give him a fist bump. Huge, if you want.
Bless. Whee!
Go again.
Yeah.
Go on then.
Do a picture.
We'll just screenshot it anyway. A good angle.
Go in. Hi.
Yeah, he's ready to fly.
Yay.
He's been doing this all day at 10
Don't press out.
Not done anyone else?
I'll have a go.
Fist bump. So has to set forward and up. There you go. So you can stroke him on the beak and give him a fist bump. His next bump. His name's Coco.
Coco.
Coco Parrot Leeds on Instagram. If you want to follow him.
I'll give
I
you a follow.
know.
Oh, look at that. That's amazing.
His tail's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
I've always
So you
been
know he's not a
into
pigeon?
falconry. Always been into
I
Is
it.
that
got him
one
by
a
accident.
million
I used to have a dog and my dog passed away. I'm not allowed another dog. And this guy came up for adoption, so I took him in. When I found out he could wear a harness, give him a fist bump. You won't mind, I promise. You have to lean over there, can't
Go on,
you?
give him a fist bump.
Yay.
Bless.
What a fly, flying it up.
Oh, come on. I'll do a video of him there.
It's the wind's just putting him off, he's calculating. But come on then.
I can feel it in his gizzards.
That's it, the wind will blow and he's like, hold on,
Yeah,
I need to go out.
Thank you so much for that.
No problem at all,
Thank
nice
you.
to meet you all.
You
Anyway,
too.
have a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah, see you
What's your
later.
name on Instagram again?
Coco is his name.
Coco.
Parrot Leeds, all one word.
Perfect.
See you, just Coco.
Really good.
Thank you.
No problem, see you later guys.
Cheers.
And a dog, I think.
Definitely.